Look, you sit down now, babe. Just sit down. Behave, sit down there. Look, the grasshopper is chewing the praying mantis. What a big face. Yeah, there was. Yeah. Chewing it. Wow, how strong this one. The praying mantis didn't fight back. Look, what a big face. Yeah, yes. Wow. Don't move so much, babe, please. Oh, it's dead. It's dead, babe. Oh, it's trying to fly away. He slaughtered it. It's still alive. Oh, still fighting back. Okay. Oh, wow. Look, it's dead. Can't fight back anymore. Slick. And then put it back. And then we'll bring it somewhere. Takes time to, you know. Oh, now he can carry it. Is it still alive? Oh, still moving. Wow, now it's dead, I can tell. Now he's ready to fly it somewhere. Wow. What a morning feast. Wait, babe. Don't move, please. Don't move. Oh, he threw it. He threw the limbs somewhere. Wow, babe. Look at that. Okay. Let's leave the bird in peace. Okay, he's enjoying it.